Hi, I'm Charles Joly, and we're here in Los Angeles for the 73rd Annual Emmy Awards. I've created an entire suite of cocktails to celebrate the Emmys this year, along with Ketel One family-made vodka. The team from Liquid Productions and myself are out here. We're going to be working several events leading up to the big show this weekend. We've created a little bit of everything, starting with an iconic martini variation called the Foraged Martini. It's two types of vermouth. We've infused them with a thyme and a tarragon. We're going to stir it down with some Ketel One Vodka, and then it has this really beautiful side serve, which is this peach tartare tossed with some truffle paste, some pickled fennel, and topped with a ton of shaved goat cheese. Absolutely delicious together. The espresso martini, as you know, is on fire, so we've done a version of that as well called the Cafe Crimson. Instead of using espresso, we've done a cold brew with cherry juice. Combine that with a few drops of balsamic, a little dash of salt, topping it all off with a little bit of salted foam. But I want to show you how to make our final cocktail, perhaps the most bright and refreshing of all three of them. I think it's going to be the real crowd pleaser. It's called the Reboot Royale. This fall, Sex and the City is making its own reboot, so the Cosmopolitan, I think, is going to see a bit of a comeback, so we wanted to pay homage to that. Let me make this cocktail for you. A bit of simple syrup, just a half an ounce, goes into that. For our citrus component, we've gotten rid of the orange curacao that goes into the Cosmopolitan. It's equal parts fresh lemon juice and a Calamansi vinegar. Calamansi is a Southeast Asian citrus that is a variation of kumquat, a hybrid of kumquat and other citrus. It almost has a yuzu note to it. Brings in a really cool tang, a really cool aroma. Of course, we need our vodka at the base of that. Ketel One has brought us all to the Emmys this year and will be enjoyed by all the guests. We're going to give it a light shake, not too hard, because we're going to be topping off with some champagne, so we don't want to over dilute. I love to bring champagne into the mix. Not only is it great in the cocktail, great texture, it brings the aromas up to the top of the drink, but it's celebratory as well. A little bit of sparkling wine for a black tie affair is perfect in my book. You may be asking, it's a Cosmopolitan, where's the cranberry at? Essential part of that. We're bringing that in through these Cranberry Pearls, these cranberry caviar. I'm going to put just a couple of spoonfuls of that. The guests will be able to enjoy it straight off the spoon or mix it into their cocktail. We'll share the full recipes for all of these. You can find them on Ketel One's Instagram, or follow me at Charles Joly. And also, we put together a great cocktail kit that you can follow along at home on cocktailcourier.com. You can get the entire Ketel One Master the Martini kit there, full of goodies. Check it out. Cheers to the 73rd Emmys, and raising a glass to you.